Thomas? Honey, are you awake? It's already 6:45. The sun is up.
Is it morning already? I feel like I just closed my eyes an hour ago.
I know. I heard you typing away until midnight. But you have a big presentation today. You can't be late.
You're right, but my bed is so warm. Can I stay here for 10 more minutes?
Nice try, but no. I already opened the curtains. Look at the beautiful sky.
Ouch! The light is too bright. Where is my motivation?
Your motivation is currently sitting in a mug on the nightstand. I made your favorite French roast.
Wait, did you bring it to the room? You're an angel, Jessica.
I did. And it smells divine. I also added a splash of cream just the way you like it.
Oh, that's life-changing. Okay, I'm officially conscious now.
Good! Now hurry up and shower. I'm starting on the blueberry pancakes.
Pancakes? On a Tuesday? You're spoiling me.
Well, you worked hard. Now let's get this day started on the right foot. Come and get it. The pancakes are hot and the syrup is waiting.
Wow, the table looks like a 5-star hotel breakfast.
Eat up. You need brain power for that meeting. I also made some crispy bacon.
This is incredible. The pancakes are so fluffy. How do you make them like this?
It's a secret family recipe. Do you want some fresh orange juice or a cup of herbal tea?
Orange juice, please. It tastes so refreshing.
Here you go. I also cut up some strawberries and bananas to go on top.
Thanks, honey. It's nice to sit down and actually talk in the morning instead of rushing out the door.
I agree. Usually we are both so busy. It's peaceful when it's just the two of us.
I feel much better now. My stress is slowly melting away.
It's almost 8 o'clock. Do you have everything in your briefcase?
Let me double check. Laptop, check. Charger, check. Presentation notes? Yes, they're here.
What about your umbrella? The weather report mentioned a 60% chance of rain this afternoon.
Good catch. I'll grab the black one from the closet.
And your tie looks a bit crooked. Let me fix that for you. There, much sharper.
Thank you. I'd be a mess without you.
Oh, don't say that. You're brilliant. By the way, are we low on groceries?
I think we need some pasta sauce and maybe some fresh spinach for salads.
Okay, I'll add that to the list. I might stop by the market on my way home.
Or I can pick them up. I should be done by 5 o'clock.
Let's see how your day goes first. Just focus on your meeting. Drive carefully. The roads are slippery.
I will. See you later, beautiful. Hey, Jess, do you have a minute to talk?
Hi, Thomas. I was just thinking about you. How was the presentation?
It went better than I expected. Everyone liked the new designs.
I knew it. I'm so proud of you. Are you finally relaxing a bit?
A little. I'm sitting in the park eating my lunch. What are you having?
Just a quick chicken wrap at my desk. It's a bit hectic here today.
Make sure you take at least 10 minutes to breathe. Don't skip your break.
I promise I'll step away for a coffee soon. Are we still on for dinner at 7?
Definitely. I'm already dreaming about your cooking.
Well, keep that dream alive. I have a surprise for dessert.
A surprise? Now I really can't wait. Talk to you later, honey.
Bye, Thomas. Keep up the good work. Welcome back. How was the commute?
The traffic was a nightmare, but seeing you makes it all worth it.
Poor thing. Go toss your coat on the rack and come into the kitchen.
Is that garlic and rosemary I smell?
Sharp nose. It's roasted lamb with baby potatoes.
Jessica, you really went all out today. Thank you.
You earned it. Sit down. I'll pour you a glass of sparkling water.
My legs are killing me. I've been standing almost all day.
Just relax your muscles. Let's enjoy this meal while it's hot.
This lamb is so tender. It practically melts in my mouth.
I'm glad you like it. Tell me more about what your boss said after the meeting.
Well, he mentioned a potential promotion, but let's talk about that later. Right now, I just want to enjoy this food.
I'm so full. That was a wonderful dinner.
I couldn't agree more. Now, how about that surprise dessert you mentioned?
Close your eyes. Okay, open them.
Homemade apple pie? With vanilla ice cream? Jessica, you are incredible.
It's still warm from the oven. Let's take it to the living room and find something to watch.
How about a classic mystery movie? Or maybe a travel documentary?
Let's go with the documentary. I want to see something peaceful and beautiful.
Great choice. I'll dim the lights.
This is so cozy. I love these quiet evenings at home with you.
Me too. It's the best part of my day.
Someone is getting sleepy. The pie did its job.
Yeah, my eyes are getting heavy. It was a long, successful day.
Let's head upstairs. We have another big day tomorrow.
Thank you for taking such good care of me, Jess. I really appreciate everything you do.
And thank you for working so hard for our family. Good night, Thomas.
Good night, Jessica. Sleep well.